25 essential practices for teaching multilingual learners. Create a safe classroom environment. Set clear lesson objectives. Objectives should be both oral and written. Objectives should be student-friendly. Check for background knowledge. Differentiate classroom assignments. Vocabulary is key. Use word walls with illustrations. Allow for the use of personal dictionaries. Allow for the use of native language materials. Incorporate supplementary materials. Incorporate pictures and illustrations. Use graphic organizers. Assign projects that offer student choice. Pair students with a buddy. Use positive body language. Allow for adequate time. Model whenever possible. Schedule movement activities. Incorporate hands-on activities. Seat students deliberately. Speak clearly and at a moderate speed. Allow student collaboration. Allow for differentiated products. Use informal assessments. Thank you.